take a closer look at the work because now it's finished. But this, so we had 2 trees here that, and that's an old one, that's an old windstorm tree, but we got this one here. You can see right there, they busted a windstorm, look at that, and then came here all the way out there. That's what I filmed from the field. And then this one right here, right next to it, see how close it is? There's the top. Like it's split in half from the wind. So you had 2 trees side by side pretty much busted off. There's that one, and then there's the other one. Massive, boys. So look how it came all the way out. There it is. You can see that other one kind of behind it. Right there. But it came all the way out. I had to saw this up. It's got pushed back by the bush hog. Thankfully he was here today. And then a little collateral damage on that one. But all this stuff had to be pushed back. Even the little branches and stuff. A lot of sawing. You can see a lot of the logs that would be cut up small enough to carry them. A lot of hard work. This is where it fell. You can just see, like, now it's finally all cleaned up. There's just a little bit of debris. Left. Still there. That's from the tree. Came all the way out here. You want to talk about a big job? That was a big job. That was a big job. Hopefully my back will be feeling good tomorrow. Pray for me.